how to create or register for a CRA Canada Review Agency account for the very first time. If you are new to Canada or just setting up your CRA account, follow these steps. Visit the official CRA website, go to the CRA sign-in page and click on My Account, then choose CRA Register. Choose the right option. Do not click Sign in Partner unless you already have an account. Select CRA Register to create a new one. Now, enter your personal information. You will need your SIN, your social insurance number, your postal code, and date of birth. Verify your identity. You will be asked to enter a line number from your previous tax return, typically line 15,000 total income from last year. Now wait for your security code. CRA will mail you a security code within 5 to 10 business days. You will use this code to complete your account setup. Now, complete registration. Once you enter the code, your account will be fully active. From there, you can access your taxes, benefits, ZBB, and more. And that's how you register your CRA account for the very first time. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Canadian how-to guides.